Hello, and welcome to GenesisFX Markets. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can withdraw from a PAMM that you are currently invested in. So the first step would be to go to PAMM on the left here. Go to Investor, and here you will find the investment that you want to withdraw from. You can have multiple PAMMs that you are signed up to. Find the one that you want to withdraw out of and click Manage. Once you're here, you can click Withdraw here. You can enter the amount that you like to withdraw. For example, let's go with 50%. They will give you a quick breakdown of the performance fee and the management fee that is applied. Once all of that is done, you can request the withdrawal, and once you do, a request will be submitted to the PAMM manager. Now, if you refresh, just to make sure that everything is sorted, and go to Investor Withdrawals, you will be able to see your pending withdrawal right here. Thank you.